I see the lights on every street, everyone glowing, looking carefree. I try to fall into the mood, but my head's still stuck on what I should do. I'm folding blankets, fixing things, trying to make the season sing, but all the sparkle in the air can't drown the feeling I'm not quite there. Still I keep trying to play along, humming softly to a holly song, hoping maybe if I fake the shine I'll feel it for real this time. I just wanna have the Christmas vibe, that kind of girl who can just thrive. Wrap a present in a bow, kiss my man under the mistletoe, but I start to stress about listening, granting every single wish. My mind just wants to find the pause, hand over my worries to Santa Claus. I know what it costs to never be naughty, only be nice. This year I wanna be worth the price, worth the price, worth the price. Tie it up pretty, make it look nice. Worth the price, worth the price. All that I want is a little peace tonight. Everyone's laughing in the room, I'm in the corner checking what's due, trying to slow my racing mind, but it keeps running far behind. I wanna melt into the night, let the soft gold fairy lights wrap around me like a spell, instead of feeling like I'm tripping on myself. And I know it isn't meant to be, this much pressure weighing down on me, but I'm learning maybe joy can stay even if it doesn't look my way. I just wanna have a Christmas vibe, that kind of girl who can just thrive. Wrap a present in a bow, kiss my man under the mistletoe, but I start to stress about listening, granting every single wish. My mind just wants to find the pause, hand over my worries to Santa Claus. I know what it costs to never be naughty, only be nice. This year I wanna be worth the price, worth the price, worth the price. Tie it up pretty, make it look nice. Worth the price, worth the price. Oh, worth the price, worth the price. Oh, worth the price, worth the price. Maybe love is letting go, letting myself fall into the glow, letting the moment lead the night, instead of forcing Christmas to feel right. I just wanna have the Christmas vibe, the kind of girl who can just thrive. Wrap a present in a bow, kiss my man under the mistletoe, but I start to stress about listening, granting every single wish. My mind just wants to find the pause, hand over my worries to Santa Claus. I know what it costs to never be naughty, only be nice. This year I wanna be worth the price, worth the price, worth the price. Tie it up pretty, make it look nice. Worth the price, worth the price. All that I want is a little peace tonight. I still remember being small, counting days on the advent wall, marshmallow cocoa every night, paper snowflakes taped up right, cut out stars and glitter glue, laughter drifting from the living room, cookie dough warming up the air, a kind of magic always there. Those little moments, soft and slow, made winter feel like it could glow. Every December was made to be something that lasts in my memory, and as I place the ornaments on the tree, I walk through And suddenly, it wasn't just me, it was our first time choosing a tree, spending too much just to make it shine, laughing that the sparkle felt like mine. A fireplace flicker, a wreath above, the room lit up like falling in love. You pulled me close so tenderly and said I was the only gift you need. And in that glow I understood how love can turn the simple good. Every December was made to be something that lasts in my memory. And as I place the ornaments on the tree, I walk through the history where all the love felt like snow. Every magic I used to know, piecing together the wonder of a December made to remember. Now smaller hands slip into mine, and I show them how the lights align, trying to give them what once raised me, the soft familiar way December used to be. I tell them Christmas doesn't live in boxes or the gifts we give. It's in the quiet and the slow, and passing down the things we know, and building warmth before they grow into a December they will always remember. Every December was made to be something that lasts in our memory. And as we place the ornaments on the tree, we walk through the history where all the love felt like snow. Every magic they'll come to know, piecing together the wonder of a December made to remember. I've been good at a habit, holding steady, staying tame. Wrapped the gifts, kept the peace, showed up early to the game. But winter shifts its color when you're tired of playing nice, and suddenly I'm craving something colder, something twice. I wanna break tradition, no mistletoe granting permission, just my own pulse making the decision. No nice list for me, naughty this Christmas fits perfectly. Peppermint spiked velvet red dress, sliding to the floor, checked it twice. I'm naughty and I don't care anymore. Keep all the presents, cold's just fine. I'll strike it, start the fire, and make this season mine. Snow on my breath, eyes turning ice. 'Tis the season, I stop playing nice. Naughty this Christmas fits perfectly. Naughty this Christmas is just more fun to me. I've been the one who softens edges, keeps the calm, smooths every storm. But now I want the spark, the tension, something beautifully out of form. Let the ribbon fall crooked, let the soundtrack lose its tune. I want a night that hits electric underneath the winter moon. I wanna break tradition, no mistletoe granting permission, just my own shadow, trusting intuition. No niceness for me, naughty this Christmas fits perfectly. Peppermint spiked velvet red dress, sliding to the floor, checked it twice. I'm naughty and I don't care anymore. Keep all the presents, cold's just fine. I'll strike it, start the fire, and make this season mine. Snow on my breath, ice turning ice. 'Tis the season, I stop just for me. Naughty, this Christmas fits perfectly. Pour a little more Baileys, let the velvet draw the line. I'm rewriting the holiday in my own design. Keep all the presents, coal still shines. I'm done with permission. I'm taking what's mine. Snow on my breath, eyes turning ice. 'Tis the season, I stop playing nice. Naughty, this Christmas fits perfectly. Naughty, this Christmas is just more fun to me. There's a quiet in the forest that the city never finds. Snowfall drifting downward like it's reading off my mind. Evergreens are leaning in soft as something whispered low. And every path I follow feels like somewhere I already know. The cold's not cold when the world's this still, like the trees are choosing what they want me to feel. Winter in the woods has a way of holding me, turning every breath into something I can keep. Lights caught in the branches, frost spelling out my name, and the world feels warm in the strangest way. If there's magic anywhere, I swear it's here. Winter knows my name this year. Winter knows my name this year. Footprints making patterns in the hush of powdered white, laughing at the way our voices echo softer in the night. Your hands tucked in your pockets, mine hidden in my sleeves. We pretend we're not both hoping the other never leaves. And you look at me like the season stops, like the snow decides where the moment drops. Winter in the woods has a way of holding me, turning every breath into something I can keep. Lights caught in the branches, frost spelling out my name, and the world feels warm in the strangest way. If there's magic anywhere, I swear it's here. Winter knows my name this year. Maybe it's the silence, maybe it's the glow, how the world turns softer underneath the snow. Or maybe it's your heartbeat syncing up with mine, how the cold feels gentle when our hands align. Winter in the woods has a way of holding me, turning every breath into something I can keep. Lights caught in the branches, frost spelling out my name, and the world feels warm in the strangest way. If there's magic anywhere, I swear it's here. Winter knows my name this year. It's been too long since I held you. It's not the same here without you. Feels like time got slow the moment you let go, and I keep thinking about your blue eyes twinkling under the shimmer and shine of Christmas time. You bring the magic of the holiday every single time you're on your way. And winter hits different when you're near. Everything feels brighter when The weather got cold and I've been feeling blue. Snow kept falling but it fell without you. Candy canes blowing all over town. Mean nothing if you're not around. 'Tis the season, but without you there's no reason. My winter doesn't begin till you walk in. From the doorway, fill the house again in your own way. You've got that light up, heart steady sound, the kind that lifts the whole room off the ground. Baby, it's simple, but it's true. Every moment feels warmer next to you. Yeah, you bring the magic of the holiday. Turn the silent nights into loving days, and suddenly every street feels new, just from coming home to you. The weather got cold and I've been feeling blue. Snow kept falling but it fell without you. Candy canes glowing all over town. Mean nothing if you're not around. 'Tis the season, but without you there's no reason. My winter doesn't begin till you walk in. Snowflakes on your jacket, laugh lines in your smile, and suddenly December feels worth it for a while. All the quiet nights I count and finally let go, 'cause you're home now and I feel whole. The weather got cold and I've been feeling blue. Snow keeps falling but it fell without you. Candy canes glowing all over town. Mean nothing if you're not around. 'Tis the season, but without you there's no reason. So I just keep wishing on that star. You'll get to me soon from where you are. My winter doesn't begin till you walk in. My winter doesn't begin. The weather got cold and I've been feeling blue. Snow keeps falling but it fell without you. Candy canes glowing all over town. Mean nothing if you're not around. 'Tis the season, but without you there's no reason. So I just keep wishing on that star. You'll get to me soon from where you are. Snow's falling on the cabin roof, fire's cracking like it knows the truth. You've been running around for everyone but me. Baby, I've been waiting so patiently. You walked in smelling like cold pine air, hands in your pockets, frost in your hair. But I've been good, you've been good too. Guess we are what we wanna do. The lights are hanging low to set the mood in place. Baby, let the whole world wait. We move at our pace. Let me be your Mrs. Claus tonight. Kisses, cancel Christmas and hold me tight. Take a break, yeah, just relax. Santa baby, let me sit in your lap. Show you what I want, but don't leave it by the tree. I want my gift stick under me. This year I've been so good again, so cancel Christmas, just stay in. Sip cocoa off each other's lips, unwrap me slow with your fingertips. Every ribbon you untie pulls me closer in. Snow outside, but I'm warm on your skin. Forget the reindeer, forget the sleigh. I want you stranded here with me all day. Close the curtains, let the snowfall pile high. We'll make our own North Pole tonight. I've been good, you've been good too. Guess we are what we wanna do. The lights are hanging low to set the mood in place. Baby, let the whole world wait. We move at our pace. Let me be your Mrs. Claus tonight. Cancel Christmas tonight. Cancel Christmas, dim the lights. Take a break, yeah, just relax. And baby, let me sit in your lap. Show you what I want, but don't leave it by the tree. Hey, I want my gifted under me. This year I've been so good again, so cancel Christmas, come stay in. Walked in, glitter dripping off my lashes. World tilting sideways as the whole room flashes. Tinsel twisting like it's come alive, pulling me deeper into the neon hive. Candy mirror floors beneath my feet. Every step a secret, sugar sweet. Doors unlatched, the walls all breathe. Guess the holiday magic's choosing me. Lanterns blink like they're in on the joke. Gold smoke curling every time I spoke. Time skips twice, then bows to the scene. I think I slipped into a holiday dream. I'm the queen of the red and green party. Rules bend easy when the room moves. Ollie spinning like a carousel stitched in light. One sip and reality's losing the fight. Drink something bright and strange, let midnight rearrange. Caught in a holiday fever dream, and I swear I'm glowing through every seam. Peppermint heartbeat in my stride. Music melting, clocks on the other side. Ribbons float like they forgot the air, curling around me like a dare. Upside down ornaments wink from above, whispering secrets no one speaks of. Shuffle the deck, deal me a chance. December listens when I start to dance. Lanterns blink like they're in on the joke. Gold smoke curling every time I spoke. Time skips twice, then bows to the scene. I think I slipped into a holiday dream. I'm the queen of the red and green party. Rules bend easy when the room moves oddly, spinning like a carousel stitched in light. One sip and reality's losing the fight. Drink something bright and strange, let midnight rearrange. Caught in a holiday fever dream, and I swear I'm glowing through every scene. Clocks drip down like melting chrome. Echoes curl where the shadows roam. Then the room explodes in candy bloom. Like Christmas cracked and rewrote the room. I'm the queen, and the room moves out. Go on, watch the wonder ignite. Drink something bright and strange. Hold tight to the world as it rearranges. Falling into the holiday fever dream. Come on, baby, nothing's ever fake. Felt this dream like
Snow's falling slow on the sidewalk. You lit up like a midnight spark. Didn't think I'd get swept this easy, but you're pulling at my heartbeat hard.
should've brought something pretty, something wrapped up just for you. But the only thing I'm wishing is to come home wrapped in you.
You say hello like a secret, warm breath cutting through the frost. I was out here searching for meaning, never knew how much I lost.
And I don't need the lights, the lights, the tinsel glow, 'cause
'cause the moment you lean closer feels like something I can't let go. If you're looking for the perfect gift, you've had it in your arms all night. Something warm enough to melt the cold, something soft that fits just right. So come closer, step in, let the whole world faith in. Wrap me in your winter love, and I'll wrap you in mine again. Your fingers trace the night sky on the back of my shaking hand. Feels like Christmas found a new way to make me finally understand. I don't need gift boxes, my present doesn't need a bow. You're just something I've been missing in the longest nights of snow. Your voice is like a fire glow, curling slow beneath my skin. This whole season feels different, like it's ours alone to spin. And if giving you my heartbeat is the gift I'm meant to show, then tie me with your promise, unwrap me nice and slow. No, I don't need the lights, the list, the picture perfect glow, 'cause being in your arms is the only truth I wanna know. If you're looking for the perfect gift, I'm right here in the winter list. Something close enough to warm your hands, something soft enough to wear. So come closer, step in, let the whole world faith in. Wrap me in your winter love, and I'll wrap you in love. Foggy's fun, your touch feels like sin. Pull me closer till the night caves in. If love's the gift we're giving, let's unwrap it soft and slow, 'cause the best things in December are the ones we never show. If you're looking for the perfect gift, take this moment, take this breath. You're the wish I never knew I made, the one I choose with no regret. So come closer, step in, let the whole world faith in. Wrap me in your winter love, and I'll wrap you in mine again. Got the heater humming low, windows fogging as we go, and the sky's a snowy backdrop to the streetlights in a row. Got a peppermint mocha and the radio on blast. Every song I used to love is hitting harder than the last. Passing strangers bundled tight, kids pressed up against the glass. Every face a little story as the headlights dance and flash. On this holiday highway, with the car lights on the snow, every melody reminds me of the places that I know. I'm singing with the radio as the whole world starts to glow. Yeah, this holiday highway is taking me home. Every song strikes something true, and the world feels kinda magic when the season's shining through. On this holiday highway, with the car lights on the snow, every melody reminds me of the places that I know. I'm singing with the radio as the whole world starts to glow. Yeah,
glow from far away. There's a peace in moving forward, there's a joy in heading back. And every mile I travel feels like picking the right track. On this holiday highway, where the whole world seems to glow, passing people, passing moments, wrapped in red and green and snow. And I'm singing with the radio, like I wrote the songs I know. Yeah, this holiday highway is taking me home. It's taking me home. This holiday highway is taking me home. Pull the boxes from the attic, dust and tinsel on my hands. Found your note from last December. Funny how it still lands. It's the smallest things that hit me, like the quiet in this place. I reach for you without thinking, but the silence took your place. Everyone says time will fix it, but December keeps you near. In the shadows on the doorway, in the echoes I still hear. 'Cause Christmas isn't Christmas with your chair untouched and cold, and the cocoa on the counter loses heat like a losing hold. I still follow all your rituals, light the candles, keep them burning, trying hard to make it festive, but the ache just keeps returning. I'm just trying to make it through the stillness of the year. 'Cause Christmas isn't Christmas without you here. Your recipe's gone faded, but I make it just the same, and never tastes like when you made it. Guess that's just the cost of change. Then the record hits that scratch mark, and I swear I hear your laugh. It's a second, but it's something, and I've learned to hold the half. People say to start new traditions, but they never understand. Moving on can feel like leaving, and I won't let go of your hands. 'Cause Christmas isn't Christmas with your chair untouched and cold, and the cocoa on the counter loses heat like a losing hold. I still follow all your rituals, light the candles, keep them burning, trying hard to make it festive, but the ache just keeps returning. I'm just trying to make it through the stillness of the year. 'Cause Christmas isn't Christmas without you here. I won't box up your traditions, I won't let the moments fade. You're the warmth beneath the winter, you're the reason warmth was made. So I'll keep your place beside me in the glow of every year. Gone is not forgotten, and you're closer than you appear. 'Cause Christmas isn't Christmas with your chair untouched and cold, but your stories fill the quiet, and your lessons still take hold. Every ornament you painted, every shimmer in the air, you still show up when I need you, even if you're not right there. Yeah, Christmas isn't Christmas, but you're still here. motivation, more danger than pretty face. You like me for the contrast, for the color against the gray. Never saw the heat inside me till it burned you anyway. But even winter flowers learn what frost will break apart. Some things burn their brightest right before they lose their heart. I'm your poinsettia heart, bleeding red against the white. You kept me warm for pretty pictures, left me dying by the lights. Every star you hung above me couldn't save what fell apart. Christmas looks like something holy till you're holding it in the dark. I'm your poinsettia heart, and I finally know my part. I stay like a stubborn promise, pouring color through the cold, hoping you would see my courage as a love you'd wanna hold. But you needed something easy, something polished, never true. While I was dropping brightest petals on the floor around you, and every sacred season has a truth it must reveal. The ribbons hide the damage, but the damage learns to heal. I'm your poinsettia heart, bleeding red against the white. You kept me warm for pretty pictures, left me dying by the lights. Every star you hung above me couldn't save what fell apart. Christmas looks like something holy till you're holding it in the dark. I'm your poinsettia heart, and I'm done playing that part. No more pretending evergreen while withering in your hands. No more quiet decorations just to make you look like a man. Call me bitter, call me burning, I call it learning where I stand. Poinsettias rise from fire, baby, that was always planned. I was your poison heart, baby, that was always planned. I was your poinsettia heart, glowing red in a world of white. You mistook my heat for weakness, tried to keep me out of sight. Now when Christmas bells are ringing, I hear freedom in the star. Love can stutter, love can vanish, but I'll bloom beyond the sky. Poinsettia heart, my own Christmas star. Ooh, I've been keeping little secrets in the pockets of December. Things I didn't say out loud, things I wish I could forget or remember. Like how I pretend I'm fine when the year felt like too much. How I learned to smile for people who don't know I break at touch. How I ghosted all my friendships just to keep myself afloat. How I carried quiet heartbreak like a letter I never wrote. And every time the lights turn on, they glow against the things I hide. All the truths I didn't handle, all the storms I held inside. So here are my secrets to Santa, every truth I couldn't speak. It's been a heavy kind of season, and the world's been feeling bleak. I've seen love turn into silence, I've seen kindness lose the fight. People breaking in the daytime, people praying through the night. These secrets for Santa got me needing something drastic. A little more hope, a little more glow, a little extra Christmas magic. I saw strangers on the sidewalk share the last of what they had. Saw a mother kiss her daughter while she whispered, "Don't be sad." I watched someone lose their person and hold ashes like a hand. Watched a man give all his blankets to a veteran in the sand. Watch friends fake perfect living screen that isn't real. Watch the lonely kid find courage in the comments he could feel. And it hit me in the quiet, in the soft glow of the tree, how we're all just trying to make it, how we're all just trying to be. So here are my secrets for Santa, heavy truth I couldn't speak. It's been a heavy kind of season, and the world's been feeling bleak. I've seen joy fall in the shadows, I've seen fear turn us to static. People lying just to function, people laughing just to mask it. These secrets for Santa got me needing something drastic. A little more hope, a little warm light, a little extra Christmas magic. Miracles still wonder, I could use one in the night. Let it fall like gentle snowfall, let it break me toward the light. If wonder still remembers every name it used to know, tell it I've been waiting, tell it I'm still trying to grow. Here are my secrets for Santa, yeah, I finally said them all. And maybe truth can feel like mercy, maybe healing starts to call. I've seen people rise from nothing, I've seen broken turn to static, but I'm holding out for something bright enough to bend the tragic. These secrets for Santa got me reaching out half frantic, for a little more hope, a little more faith, a little extra Christmas magic. I open the night with a slow burn spark, holiday warmth cutting clean through the dark. People slipping from the cold outside, shaking off winter with a shift in their stride. Everything tightens when you're unafraid, a flashlight tinsel catching flame. No prompts, no plans, nothing over. Some nights know exactly who to cover. Close enough to feel the shift, energy rising, subtle lift. Say one thing and the tempo fits, the holiday feeling at your fingertips. Come with me and stay a while, 'cause tonight is on the line. Drop the act and name your style. I've created space and time, you're not here by mistake. The architect shaped every fate, so accept that life's a cage. We decorate with our own light. A very Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Heat rolls slow through the floor and the walls, soft Christmas glow tracing over it all. Bodies drift closer, sink without trying, drawn to the warmth this season supplying. You catch my eye like you already know, you stepped into something with undertow. Come a little deeper, no need to decide, the night has a way of choosing your side.
Close enough to feel the shift, energy rising, subtle lift. Say one thing and the tempo flip, the holiday feeling at your fingertips. Come with me and stay a while, 'cause tonight is on the line. Drop the act and name your style. I've created space and time, you're not here by mistake. The architect shaped every fate, so accept that life's a cage. We decorate with our own light. A very Merry Christmas to all,
Yeah.
good night.
Yeah, Miss Val with the steady command, shaping the night in the palm of her hand. Every rise, every drop, every shift and pace, I drew the structure that's holding this space. Blueprint tucked somewhere you can't see, you're moving in patterns designed by me. If the vibe feels tailored, sharp and right, you slipped into a world I built tonight.
Come with me